Good evening, everyone. Our paper title is Civil Engineering Aspects of PZT. And here are the authors T. Babu, B. Naveen Kumar, Dr. Bal Govind Tiwari, and Professor R.N.P. Chowdhury, sir. Myself, I am B. Naveen Kumar, studying in first year of MME, RGKT RK Valley from Andhra Pradesh. Abstract PZT lead zinc-chromate titanium based devices are widely used in civil engineering. There is a huge demand for health monitoring nowadays. To fulfill those demands of health monitoring, PZT is most reliable and cost efficient material. Piezoelectric sensors are used to measure changes in pressure, acceleration, temperature, strain, or force. To ensure the better safety measures also, the PZT-based sensors can be used for predicting the problems like earthquakes that helps to save the thousands of lives. The piezoelectric sensors helps an engineer to analyze the characteristics of the construction like pressure and the temperature changes in the construction. It also used to collecting the data of force that exerts on the ground by the building, temperature and pressure differences in environments, etc. Damage detection in concrete structures is of a vital importance since it's improve the safety and ensure durability of the structure. For these purposes also, PZT based sensors are very useful. Piezoelectric cement based composites have been developed for civil engineering applications. And here is the introduction. PZT is an inorganic compound also called lead zinc-chromate titanium. It is a ceramic perovskite material that shows a marked piezoelectric effect, meaning that the compound changes shapes when an electric field is applied. Lead zinc-chromate titanium was first developed around the year 1952 due to its physical strength, chemical inertness, tolerability, and relatively low manufacturing cost. It is one of the most commonly used piezo ceramics. SHM. Structural health monitoring is a process of implementing a damage detection and characterization strategy for civil engineering structures such as bridges and buildings. There is a high demand for SHM techniques in civil structures. Piezoelectric sensors and actuators provide a new promising approach to addressing these demands. Smart structures embedded with piezoelectric sensors and actuators has the advantage of structural simplicity, low cost, quick response, and high reliability. Discussion. Damage detection in bridges. Cheongyu Park and Co. conducted a study on PZT-based active damage detection techniques for steel bridge components. Their paper presents the result of experimental studies on piezoelectric lead zinc-chromate titanium based active damage detection techniques for non-destructive evaluations of steel bridge components. These two images describe the involvement of PZT in the damage detection of bridges and structural health monitoring. XY Zhang and H. N. Lee describe on their paper model parameters identification of concrete structures based on built-in PZT sensors that piezoelectric ceramic materials such as lead zinc-chromate titanium with function of both sensing and actuating have become one of the potential smart material for use in structural health monitoring and control of civil structures. Since PZT has distinct advantages such as quick response, broadband frequency, and low price among others or traditional sensor materials. And these two images describe the involvement of PZT in structural health monitoring and PZT based cement. Xiong Yu Gong and Co. did a study on preparation and properties of cement-based piezoelectric composites modified by CNTs and concluded that the addition of CNT significantly enhanced the piezoelectric property of the composites with a CNT content of 0.3 volt percentage. The CNT's PZT cement composites showed the highest piezoelectric strain factor and piezoelectric voltage factor, which are the promising characteristics for its potential use in the smart civil engineering structures. And this image describes about the piezoelectric cement composites. And here I would like to conclude with a point. From the following study, we conclude that PZT-based materials plays an important role in the field of civil engineering. And these are the references we have used. Thank you.